back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be making a fake cartilage ring with you guys. So for my cartilage story, I just think that people who have their ears kind of decked out in earrings and like that, like the full cartilage and all that stuff, I think it's super cool to have like constellation earrings and stuff. So I got my cartilage pierced last year, but I was on my school swim team, and so the swim cap was super tight and would always press on it. So then I had to take it out, and I just didn't put it back in, and obviously it closed. Then I tried to pierce my cartilage again, and it was like the worst pain ever. So I was just like, okay, obviously can't do that anymore, but I do love the look of cartilage piercing, so how am I gonna get one? Make a fake one. And they're super easy. It's literally like one step and then you're done. I hope you guys are ready for this. I have mine in right now. I made these two, right? And you can, yeah, these two are fake right here. I have this one as well. So I have this. All that you're gonna need for this are these split rings, bead landing. They're just basically like these little rings that you put onto necklaces. I got mine from Michael's. It looks like this, but all of them fell out. They just look like, I'm about to do the YouTube hand. They look like this. Well, it's not focusing, but they're basically just these tiny like double rings. Either I'll put in a picture or like a super zoomed in clip or whatever. I don't know. I'm filming with natural light today, so that's probably why the lighting's like off. All you need are the rings and just like a very strong pair of something that you can cut them with. Scissors don't work, so don't use scissors. I tried it and I literally hit myself in the eye with it because it just bounced off. All that I did is that I took the ring, I took this, and I kept, so there's a place, this is obviously like a 2-layered ring, so you can like roll, ooh. So if you wanted to like roll a chain in it, you could, you know what I mean? All that you really need to do is take the ring, take these, and just cut it where there's not like 2 layers and it's just one. So I'll kind of put in a clip. You want to slide it kind of all the way down on one side. And then with all the pressure, just clip it like that. The first time it might not cut, and that's fine. It does tend to take a couple times. Just put it back, do it again, do it again, and again, until it is cut. And I like using the ones with the 2 rings because once you cut it, you have 2 separate like little hoops. There you go. So once you do cut it, they look like this. Oh, come on. Once it's open and cut, all you have to do is take these again and either make it closed, or not closed 100%, but kind of like where the tip gets closer to each other to fit your ear, or make it wider to fit your ear. What I like to do is I like to take the back, or like whatever I think I'm gonna put in the back, and kind of pull that side up to where it kind of looks like straight, and then the circle, just so it kind of rests easy against my ear. And so all you do is just slide it on your ear, and yes, you're super zoomed in. Yes, your ear might seem a little bit of red, like a little red, but that's just because it is kind of sharp. That's how all of them were when I first put them on my ears, and then now they're fine, totally not red. So don't worry if your ear's red, it's probably just a little sensitive. And yeah, I mean, it was super easy. It's like literally like one and done. This video is probably gonna be like 4 minutes, it's just so short. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you have not subscribed already. Turn on my post notifications if you want to be notified whenever I upload, which is Tuesday and Friday. And yes, I will see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys love your earrings. Bye!